Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the pop art effect in Picsart. So to do that, you're going to do it manually, guys. Come to Picsart application, select the plus icon over here to start up a new project. So come to see all so that you can choose a photo of your choice, or you can come to the drop down arrow here, then select a folder where your photo is. So I come to gallery, as you can see. So basically I'm going to choose a photo. Let me choose this photo, right? So after choosing it, I'll basically tick from there. Alright, so after ticking, basically I just need to close that. So this is our photo. Now to add the pop art effect, come to effects over there. So when you come to effects, scroll this side, as you can see, scroll slowly like that, then select magic like that. Alright, so when you select magic, basically all these are just pop art effects. So I'll basically select neon pop. So you wait for it to apply. Alright, so as you can see, this is our neon pop effect, and it's basically under the pop art effects. Alright, so it has finished applying. So that's how it looks like, guys. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. We shall meet in the next video. So basically when you're done here, guys, just come and save it from there, then you're good to go. Alright, thank you for watching.